Hi Mario, my name is Jeff and I am a co-founder of Lobo Leads, and I believe you spoke with my wife Megan recently about a video to provide some tips and insight into digital marketing for El Rancho home improvement. Now, since you don't have a website for your business, I wanted to send you this quick video to show what your competition is doing and how developing a digital marketing presence can have huge benefits for your business, particularly when it comes to gaining customers. Now, we know that most business owners are extremely busy and they don't have time to handle all the marketing needs of their business. So that's why we started making these videos for small business owners like yourself. If you have questions or if you'd like to discuss any of this further, we'd love to hop on a call and talk. But either way, this video is 100% yours to keep, and you can do with it however you will. So the three things that I wanted to go over today pertaining to websites and digital marketing are content, backlinks, and citations. Now, content is anything on the front page for your site that Google can read. So all the text on the front page, all the text within your images, and whatever images are saved as. So, for example, we'll go ahead and just do a quick search for concrete Corpus Christi. And we'll just click on this top one here. Now, content is going to be anything that essentially shows up on this page. So it'll be any images, this text, even the contact information down here at the bottom. So essentially, Google, at least in Google's eyes, you're considered authority when you have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page, and you're going to want it to be stuffed with content that has to do with buyer intent for you specifically. So you'd be looking at things like concrete Corpus Christi, lawn care Corpus Christi, and other keyword phrases along those lines. That way, when anyone types in those searches into Google, your website will be the one that pops up. This is where a customized business website would truly shine. You can include things like customer testimonials, links to social media pages, pictures of your previous projects, before and after photos, lots of different things that you could put out there that builds your website's credibility for your visitors. The next thing I wanted to go over is backlinks. The thing with Google is it can be kind of like a popularity contest because they judge you by how many websites are pointing back at your website. Now, very important to remember, not all backlinks are created equal. What that means is you're going to gain a lot more influence from backlinks that are related to your industry. So, for example, a reputable home improvement blog that happens to mention your company, or a popular website that features various types of concrete pouring techniques. There's a whole slew of them out there. So you can get mentioned in those, their blogs, and you'll build credibility that way. Something that has to do with services you offer. You're going to have much more influence given to you from that versus a backlink from like a Domino's Pizza or a Macy's department store. A tool I use to measure backlinks is called Ahrefs. It gives you a ton of really valuable data on what kind of traffic is coming into your website. So again, because you don't have a website, I'll show you how one of your top competitors is doing. They're called Corpus Christi Concrete Paving. You may or may not have heard of them. But as you can see here, they have 739 backlinks from 75 referring domains. And what that does is it drives people to their website. This last month, they had 128 people visit their website. So they're getting a lot of traffic going in and seeing the services that they have to offer. Now, strategy we tell our clients to use is to get the same kind of influence and power as their competitors is to go in and get those same backlinks as they have and continue to keep adding more and more so that you eventually surpass them. And as you gain more and more backlinks, you'll rise in the rankings and get a lot more organic traffic, thus getting more customers. The last thing I wanted to talk to you about today is citations. Citations are very important because if someone wants a service now, they're going to go to Google, they're going to search it, and they're probably going to pick one of the first companies that pops up, similar to what I did earlier. Now, let's see here. So what shows up here is this map. It's called a Google Map Pack. A lot of times when people are searching, different businesses will show up in here. I didn't pick the right keywords for that to show up, but it's important for whatever they're searching for, if it's relevant to you. So you want to show up here, and you do that by getting on different directories with your name, address, and phone number. So directories are going to be like Yelp, White Pages, Yellow Pages, Home Advisor, all those different reputable directories. And so that was a lot of information. If you have any questions about any of that, you're more than welcome to give us a call. There's an entire world out there with regards to digital marketing, so there's a lot of ground to cover, and that is what we do. We aim to educate small business owners and help them where we can to grow your business and realize your goals. Thank you so much again for watching, and hope you have an excellent rest of your day.